Hi, members of the House Judiciary Committee. I'm Julie Keller. I'm a parent, and I'm testifying on behalf of Rhode Islanders for Parentage Equality. We call ourselves RIPE, the statewide coalition dedicated to the passage of Uniform Parentage Act that best reflects best practice within family law. So we strongly support the need for legislation to update our 40-year-old parentage law, and we thank Rep. Mackin so much for her tireless efforts in bringing this bill back and leading this issue. Our coalition includes a wide range of people and organizations affected by current parentage law, including parents like myself, but also attorneys, doctors, nurses, midwives, child welfare experts, mental health professionals, and advocates. The people and organizations we represent are experienced in infertility, surrogacy, adoption, child development, parenting, and law. We've distributed a purple folder for each of you, and you'll find profound and enlightening personal stories, a fact sheet about the need for the bill, and testimony by our lead organizations, including that of Polly Crozier, who you just heard from earlier. The folder includes the amendments that we think are straightforward and necessary to ensure consistency in the bill and in keeping with the best practices. We look forward to supporting H7541 with these important amendments. As people affected by the current parentage law, we know that we must have family law that respects and reflects the diversity of Rhode Island families, provides protections for all children, and ensures legal paths to parentage regardless of how families are formed, regardless of the gender or sexual orientation of the parents. Rhode Island currently has no statutes protecting children born through assisted reproduction or surrogacy, which forces some parents to wait months, as I did in my case, many of us have, to adopt our own children, going through an expensive, intrusive, anxiety-inducing process that puts kids and families at risk. Many of us here tonight understand the humiliation, honestly, the uncertainty created by the current law. Treats us without equity, without dignity, leaves our families unprotected. We'll offer a great deal of testimony tonight, highlighting these inequities and gaps in the current law, the impact on our families, and the need for legislation to pass this year, hopefully. We thank you in advance so much for listening to our stories and considering our suggested amendments. We hope you'll pass the bill this time with minor amendments out of committee. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Anybody have any questions? No? Thank you for your testimony.